Tucked away in the heart of Alabama, Opelika is a hidden gem waiting to be discovered. This quaint town, often overlooked, holds a charm that is both timeless and inviting. This charming town offers a delightful blend of natural beauty, rich history, and warm southern hospitality. From its lush parks to its well-preserved historical buildings, Opelika is a place where every corner tells a story. Opelika is a place where time seems to slow down. The streets are lined with quaint shops and cafes, inviting you to take a leisurely stroll and soak in the atmosphere. It invites you to relax and savor life's simple pleasures. Whether it's enjoying a picnic in the park, relaxing by the creek, or sipping coffee at a local cafe, Opelika offers a serene escape. Come along as we uncover the magic of Opelika together, discover its landmarks, meet its friendly locals, and explore the hidden gems that make this town so special. Opelika is a place where you can escape the hustle and bustle of city life. The surrounding countryside and hiking trails offer a perfect retreat for nature lovers. It's a place to reconnect with nature and create lasting memories. Families can enjoy hiking, children can play freely in the parks, and everyone can appreciate the beauty of the natural surroundings. Whether you're seeking outdoor adventures, cultural experiences, or simply a peaceful getaway, Opelika has something for everyone. From kayaking on local rivers to visiting museums and staying at a cozy bed and breakfast, the options are endless. Get ready to be captivated by the charm and allure of this hidden southern treasure. As the sun sets over Opelika, the town comes alive with festive events and a warm, welcoming atmosphere that will leave you enchanted. Opelika is blessed with an abundance of natural beauty. Its landscapes are a testament to the serene and picturesque environment that this region offers. From sprawling parks to serene lakes, there's no shortage of places to immerse yourself in nature's embrace. Whether you're looking for a quiet spot to read a book, or a vibrant area to enjoy outdoor activities, Opelika has it all. Chuakla State Park is a haven for outdoor enthusiasts. This park offers a variety of activities that cater to all ages and interests. Hike or bike through scenic trails, cast a line in the lake, or simply relax and soak in the tranquility. The park's diverse landscape ensures that there's something for everyone to enjoy. The Crayer Preserve and Nature Center offers a fascinating glimpse into the local ecosystem. It's an educational experience that brings you closer to nature. Explore the nature trails, discover hidden waterfalls, and learn about the diverse plant and animal life that call this area home. Each visit promises new discoveries and a deeper appreciation for the natural world. For a unique perspective, take a stroll along the Rocky Brook Rocket Trail. This trail offers a blend of history and natural beauty. This former railway line has been transformed into a scenic walking and biking path. It's a perfect example of how old structures can be repurposed to create new experiences for the community. Opelika's history is deeply rooted in the Civil War era. Visit the Museum of East Alabama to delve into the town's past and gain a deeper understanding of its significance during this pivotal time. The historic downtown district is a testament to Opelika's heritage. Admire the well-preserved architecture, browse the antique shops, and soak in the nostalgic ambiance. Don't miss the opportunity to experience a performance at the historic Lyric Theater. This beautifully restored venue hosts a variety of shows and events throughout the year. From live music to theatrical productions, there's something to entertain every taste. Section 4. Unforgettable Opelika Experiences. Opelika offers a range of activities and attractions to create unforgettable memories. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or an outdoor enthusiast, there's something here for everyone. Indulge in the flavors of the South at one of the town's many locally owned restaurants. Savor mouth-watering barbecue, sample Southern comfort food classics like fried chicken, collard greens, and cornbread, or treat yourself to a scoop of homemade ice cream. Each bite is a testament to the rich culinary traditions of the region. For a unique shopping experience, explore the boutiques and art galleries in the downtown district. Discover one-of-a-kind treasures, find the perfect souvenir, or simply enjoy the lively atmosphere. The streets are filled with charm and character, making every stroll a delightful adventure. If you're a golf enthusiast, don't miss the opportunity to tee off at Grand National Golf Course. This world-class facility is a golfer's paradise. This championship course, designed by Robert Trent Jones, offers stunning views and challenging play for all skill levels. With its meticulously maintained greens and fairways, it's a must-visit for any serious golfer. Section 5. Discover the magic of Opelika. Opelika is a destination that will capture your heart with its southern charm, natural beauty, and warm hospitality. Whether you're seeking outdoor adventures, a journey through history, or simply a relaxing getaway, Opelika has something to offer every traveler. Come experience the magic of this hidden gem for yourself. You won't be disappointed. Opelika's unique blend of attractions and experiences makes it the perfect destination for a weekend getaway or a longer vacation. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and get ready to discover the magic of Opelika, Alabama.